Azure API Management Analytics. Azure API Management Analytics plays a vital role in monitoring the performance of your APIs, identifying issues, and making data-driven decisions to optimize their functionality and efficiency. Features: Usage data collection. It collects data on various aspects of API usage, including request and response data, error rates, and traffic patterns. Visualization. Azure API Management Analytics presents data in visual formats, making it easier to understand and interpret the information. Custom reports. You can create custom reports to focus on specific aspects of your APIs, such as traffic by geography or response time by endpoint. Export data. Analytics data can be exported for further analysis using external tools. Alerting. Set up alerts to be notified when certain conditions, such as a sudden increase in error rates, are met. How to make use of analytics. 1. Access the Azure portal. Navigate to your Azure API Management instance in the Azure portal. 2. Access analytics. In the Azure portal, go to the Analytics section of your API Management instance. 3. View reports. Use the pre-built reports to gain insights into key metrics, such as traffic, response times, and error rates. 4. Custom reports. Create custom reports based on your specific needs, such as tracking the usage of a particular API or product. 5. Alerting. Set up alerts to receive notifications when specific conditions, like a significant increase in errors, occur. 6. Export data. Export analytics data for further analysis using external tools or for sharing with stakeholders. Summary. Azure API Management Analytics provides insights into API usage and performance. It collects data on various aspects of API usage, including requests, responses, errors, and traffic patterns. Data is presented visually, making it easier to interpret. Custom reports can be created to focus on specific aspects of your APIs. You can set up alerts to be notified of specific conditions. Analytics data can be exported for further analysis or sharing with stakeholders. Thanks for watching.